Welcome back, friends and family, and today I have something to show you. The Womier or Gamakay K66. The reason why I bought this is because I wanted to add some lights on my desk since I always turn the lights off in my room when I work. What's inside the box is the keyboard itself, a manual, USB-C port, a cleaning brush, although I'm not going to use it, a key puller, and a switch puller. Oh, no extra surprise. So the Womier K66. I didn't realize that this doesn't have any Bluetooth or anything wireless in it, so that's a sad Joey. But I think that the case and the RGB justifies its price. I hope. So let's see. The keyboard I bought has a Gatheron black, since the yellows are already out of stock. But the black feels nice and is my first linear switch. It is smooth and has a bit of resistance. No scratchy feeling or scratchy sounds when actuating. I would recommend it for shorter use, because in my case, my fingers get tired easily compared to using the tactile switch I have right now, which is the RK Browns. The keyboard has ABS keycaps. It feels like it's not a double shot ABS, as I do feel the legends when lightly scratching the top of it, and it feels like it is about to come off. Which in my honest opinion isn't too bad, but I'm not saying it is good. The keycap is too rough out of the box, like it was recently painted and sanded and hasn't been cleaned after, and there are discolorations at the bottom. This doesn't justify its price, so that's a thumbs down for me. What I like about the keyboard is that it's 5-pin hot swappable and using KL sockets. There's no LED bump, so you can use any switch you like. Plus, it is south-facing. The keyboard also comes with a stock plate mounted stabilizer and is wobbly because I don't know. The plate or case wasn't built for the stabs, so expect rattle hell. Not a deal breaker for me because there is an easy fix later on this video. It has 19 lighting effects, in which also you can turn on and off the side lightings when not needed, as well as the key lighting when you just want to turn on the side lightings. Well, it is too bright for me and only has 3 brightness levels. You can choose what color you want in just 2 easy steps. I'm sure you want to hear the typing sound out of the box, so here it is. Now, let's do a teardown, and we will also try to fix the stabilizers while in the process of reassembling it. When disassembling, you need to unscrew 14 screws on the back, and the good thing is that there is nothing hidden inside the rubber feet. As you can see, it has 3 layers of PMMA acrylic, but it can stand a fall, so don't worry about it. Plus, acrylic doesn't shatter. Looking at it, its modability with adding foams isn't too friendly. There is a 1mm space from the bottom to the PCB, but I think that is enough to dampen the sound, since there are new other mods we can introduce to it. Now, the easy fix for the stabilizer wobble is the Band-Aid mod, but instead of a Band-Aid, I'm going to use the cloth tape, which I bought for only less than $1. You can use anything that'll stick to it because the goal is to decrease the space between the case and the stabilizers. I only use cloth or cotton type material to lessen the impact and dampen the sound. You can also do the mod on the PCB to make sure the stabs are tied to the case and decrease impact to the PCB. You can tune and lube your stabs if you choose to. I linked to a previous video on how I tune and lube my stabs, or you can just check Taiho Type's take on lubing and tuning. The Womier K66 is a good keyboard for beginner enthusiasts and gives room to customizability for people who love doing mods on their keyboards. For beginners who are not ready to move to modding their keyboards, I recommend finding another keyboard that will suit your needs that can future-proof your keyboard experience. I'm linking my RK-G68 video since I highly recommend buying this one for beginners. Now we're finished, let's do a last typing sound if there is any difference from stock stabs to tuned and lubed stabs.